Hey everyone, so this weekend was pretty exciting. As soon as futures opened up, Bitcoin started tanking, dropped like 8% in an hour. Stock market's dropping. I'd said like a week ago, I saw a lot of warning signs. I didn't know it was going to happen this quick, but here it is. During a bull market, typically you get a 10% correction. So I know it looks like the end of the world with the news and the wars and everything that's happening, but I don't think this is like the big crash. I don't even know if that's going to come, but typically in an election cycle, the market rallies in July, drops in August, September, and then November we rip back up to all-time highs. That's what it did in the past. Doesn't mean it's going to happen again, but there's going to be a lot of opportunities, and I think we'll bounce back in November, maybe shorter, maybe longer, but not financial advice. I could be wrong. This could be like a real crash, but I think what they're doing is they got to get everybody to capitulate, to sell, get scared so they don't buy, and then they'll rip it up. There's some kind of news will come out to rip us back up, but it could be sideways and choppy for a couple months, which I wouldn't like. I've enjoyed this volatility up and down big. I'm hoping to see a nice big swing back up, but typically there's a 10% correction in a bull market. I think this is it. A lot of people are going to be thinking it's a crash. I don't think it is. I think if there's going to be a crash, it's going to come after new highs again in November, but I could be wrong. Not financial advice. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you didn't get burnt too bad. I got out of a lot of my positions last week. I had a bunch of puts, but I sold them. Wish I would have held. But it's just crazy how Bitcoin can swing. Okay, so with Bitcoin, on the weekly, it's touching the 50 moving average, the 50-day moving average. It could bounce here. However, according to my chart, I have it hitting like 43K. I think that should be like the bottom, and then we can bounce back, but who knows? I mean, I've never been through a correction like this so fast and scary, but they like to scare you before they rip it back up, so we'll see how it plays out. I hope you guys are doing well. Not financial advice. I'll check back in tomorrow, see what tomorrow brings. Maybe we wake up and a lot of this corrected itself, but it doesn't look good right now. Try to stay positive. Thanks, guys.